So we got someone very special with us today.
And we're at the ginger factory.
Yeah. Who's with us?
I don't know. Who's with us?
Say hi.
Hi!
Where are we today?
At the ginger factory!
Yay! Let's go have a look, hey?
Uh-huh.
Okay. You excited? What are we going on?
Train!
Got a long wait because it's school holidays.
Yay!
Lots of people.
Coming up now to the Gruffalo Spotter Trail on your right. In here, journey through the winding paths, following the trail as it goes deeper and deeper into the rainforest in search of signs for the characters mouse, fox, owl, snake, and of course the Gruffalo to come to life via the augmented reality app.
Okay, let's go. What's down here? A mouse. You found the mouse. Whoa. What's there? Oh, I wonder what we've got to do with that.
Can't spin, so we must have to
Well, stand there, Brenton, stand there.
Yeah.
Why, hello, fox, it says. Okay, maybe that's the fox's little house there. So when you download the app, you get the kids to stand behind these, or behind in front of these signs. So it looks nothing. But then if you watch John's phone,
I'm not doing anything. Oh, here we go.
okay, there's the fox. Look, the fox just jumped up there. Oh, he's sticking his bum in Brenton's face.
He's smiling?
Yeah.
Oh, he's going to sleep. Okay.
Hang on, hang on. There you are. Hang on. So we got Brenton nice and slowly.
Like that, like that.
So he's...
That's it, perfect.
It looks funny, but if you look here on John's phone, hang on. Is it going to go away?
Yeah, it's done.
Continue. Okay. All right, we'll do it at the next one. The fox ran off. Well, what does this mean? What's this? Could it be the Gruffalo? Continue along the trail to find the next clue. All right. There's another clue. What's it got? It's got claws. Here's the clue. Okay. Wait until we see what it does. Stand there and smile at Grandpa.
Smile.
Now go like this with your arms. That's it. Good job.
Both of them.
Do both arms. Keep flapping. And that's all he's doing there. Oh, he's flown away. All right, spin the wheel. Next clue. What's it going to land on? Oh, wonder what that means.
Oh, this is blue.
Wow.
Is it going now?
Hang on, hang on. Oh, here we go.
Here we go.
Oh, that sun's not good, is it?
Hang on, mate. Oh, yeah, there we go.
Oh, the snake's up really high. Keep doing it. Who we got to find now? Oh, help. Oh, no. It's a Gruffalo. It must be up that way, do you think?
Oh, I can see it.
Can you see it? So where is he, Brenton?
Gruffalo.
What's this one say?
I don't know. Says my
Favourite food is Gruffalo crumble. Oh, okay, go find the Gruffalo's house. That must be it there. What's he got, a teddy? Whoa, look at the Gruffalo's house. He's got his own bed with a Gruffalo quilt. Wow.
Daddy. I want you to
You're very musical. All right, we'll see what instructions it gives us to do. Oh, you got a prize, did you? A little certificate.
That's it.
We've got to find all the big umbrellas.
There we go.
All the umbrellas. How pretty does it look?
Pretty, 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 pretty. For boat.
Time for the boat.
Yeah.
Okay, we'll see if we can find the boat, huh? All right.
You guys are taking us around in circles. Yeah. Follow us. We'll show you.
Gotta find it. Gotta find the boat.
What are we doing now?
Boat ride.
We're going on the boat ride. Woohoo! What? Oh my goodness! So we're on the ginger train ride, and we've got to find all the gingerbread men, don't we? But we've also got to find the rainbow umbrellas. So let's have a look.
There's so much to see, Brenton, isn't there? Hey?
Yep. There's a police officer.
Wow.
Is this just the best? Yeah. What's this? Oh my goodness. It's the rainbow. It's the rainbow. Look, we're going into a different country.
Oh, we are. We're in Turkey, and look, there he is at the back.
Yeah.
He's dancing. What do you think of the boat ride?
Good.
You liked it? Did you find all the gingerbread men? And all the colourful umbrellas?
There's one.
Oh, there is too. Alright, so ginger factory all done.
And dusted.
What do you think of that, Brenton?
Cool.
Cool. What was your favourite part of the ginger factory?
Boat.
The boats.
The boat ride.
What did we have to find on that boat ride?
Gingerbread men and rainbow umbrellas.
Good job. And then we went on the search for a what? Do you remember what we searched for?
You come on, you can remember.
Umbrella.
No.
You remember?
That animal.
The Gruffalo.
The Gruffalo. It had a great little area, like a little forest, and you search through it trying to find the Gruffalo, and it had like a interactive app. You download it on your phone, and the kids just stood next to a scanning sign, and
You scanned your phone with it, and it made a little animal come appear.
Yeah, so we'll put some of that with this video because that was really good fun. But then we'll go into the car and we saw across the road the Macadamia nut factory, and we went in there, and although it wasn't working, we went in and we saw the what do you call it, the factory part, but nobody was working in there. No. But what did we get to taste, Brenton?
What flavours? What flavours were they?
What flavour?
Caramel.
Caramel, macadamia. What else? You have it on your breakfast every morning.
Honey.
Honey macadamia nut. And the last one, what was that last one?
Cinnamon.
No, not a cinnamon.
No.
Remember?
Lemon.
A lemon one.
That's
so
it.
We tried, there was a table down the back and you could try any of the flavours. There was like 30 flavours. You could try the lot.
You made all on the Sunshine Coast.
Yeah. What was the best flavour? What do you reckon, John? What was your best flavour? The Leamington, the honey, or the caramel?
Leamington, I think.
What was your best flavour?
All three.
Well,
All three?
Well, the caramel was, I don't know, hard.
I know, it was a hard pick between the Leamington and the caramel. I think the Leamington, because I liked the coconut in it, but the caramel's pretty damn close to being the first as well. So overall, we had a good day.
Yeah.
And do you think everyone should take their kids to the ginger factory in Yandina on the Sunshine Coast?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. Thanks for watching. Say bye.
Bye.